guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Alexis, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. And if you're already new to the channel, welcome back. So what this video is going to be about is a get ready with me. As you guys already know, those are the products that I use when I shower. The maintenance how it works, it really grew out my hair and made it really thick. I love it. Pretty much use any kind of body wash as long as it smells good and is for sensitive skin. And yeah, so Dove so happened to be in my bathroom, so I used it. What I'm gonna do now is show you guys my facial routine, what I use and how I take care of my skin. So let's get right into that. First things first, I usually comb out my nappy ass hair. Oh no, baby, blow me up. Oh yeah. What I usually do, I don't think a lot of people know about this product, but I did get it from Bella Bold. It's this right here. It's a pore vacuum cleaner. Basically what you do is just suck out all your pores from your face. It works really good. I use it like maybe once a week. Lately I've been not doing it because, not that I want more to build up, but when I did get it, I was kind of using it like every night and there was nothing to pull from, so I'm just like I was irritating my skin. So I stopped that for a while and I was like, maybe I should just cut back to maybe once a week, give it a break. So that's what I did. So today is going to be the first day out of this week that I'm using the pore vacuum cleaner. If you guys do want to purchase this, I have a 10% off code, so that will be in the description down below. So I'm basically going to show you guys how I use this pretty much. So what I usually do, I just like put some water on my face because I don't want to do it on very dry skin, you could say. So I like to clean it up a bit. All right, so as you can see, it is very clear in that tube. So when I use it, hopefully something comes out of it so that I can show you that this product really does work. It has a low speed, medium speed, and a high speed. I usually go for the high speed to get faster results, or not really like faster results, but like to hurry up and like get it out of the way, like hurry up and get this over with, because it really does take up a lot of time. So ew, oh, that's nasty. Let's keep going. But honestly, I was always the one to say like, oh, I don't need that, I'll just use these facial scrubs so that it will get rid of, you know, the blackheads and stuff like that. But to be honest, ever since I invested in this, I see the whole reason why this is like beneficial now. I just feel like the scrubs that you use just to cleanse your face aren't actually pulling out the whiteheads and the blackheads and stuff like that. Like, they're still gonna be in your skin because like you're just like scrubbing the surface of your skin. It's not like you're actually having something suck it right out of your skin. So I feel like this is a very good product. It's very beneficial for those who do suffer with blackheads just sitting on your nose and stuff like that. And actually that's why I purchased this, was because I was just so tired of the little black dots on my nose. It just bothered me so much, and I was like, you know what, this product is on sale, I'm gonna get it and use the discount that they gave me to purchase it. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take full advantage of this. I don't care. And look, I'm glad I did. So as I showed you guys how there was nothing in there, I'm going to show you what's in here now. Can you guys see that gunk? I'm sure you guys can see all that gunk that is right there on the tip. It's pretty nasty, if you ask me. Very disgusting. Thing that I do, I get these cotton rounds, and I'm not gonna lie, I just bought this yesterday. It's the Pore Perfecting Toner. I just bought this yesterday and I'm already doing a review on it, but I will keep you guys updated on this. Heavy. Main reason why I got this is because I noticed that on the back of it, it says helps depuff, and every time when I wake up in the morning, like, my eyes are so puffy. It literally looks like I was crying. But I kind of don't like the puffiness look. I really don't. But yeah, so I just put a little bit and just put it on the skin, pretty much. And I've always been looking for something like a toner. I've had a toner before with Shea Moisture, but I didn't really like it. It really dried out my face. I could actually show you guys what it is. I don't know if this is like a toner or what, but I didn't like it. I did not like it whatsoever, but that's just my skin not liking it. So they weren't the best of friends, pretty much. So I gotta listen to my skin, and if my skin says they don't like it, you listen to your skin, okay? Okay, time to cleanse my face. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And then you get a little bit of water, and then you just put it on your face. Lately, I'm gonna be honest, I've been looking to find something to cleanse my face with, so I don't have to use my fingers. But I've had those Clarisonic brushes and stuff, but my skin is just so sensitive. Like, I feel like I'm just gonna have to face it and just be like, just use your fingers, because everything is just pissing off your skin. So just like, okay, whatever, fine, just use my fingers. But if you guys do know anything that is like very soft to the skin, doesn't irritate it, put your girl on. Cause I'm all into this skincare stuff. So all right. Face is washed. Blow me up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Been on my best. So I'm gonna let this dry. Shouldn't be too long. Do not forget to moisturize. Please moisturize. I actually put 3 pumps. Don't care, you know, because I need all the moisture. How does my face look? The same? Yeah, I know. I'm actually very obsessed with my skin. And that's so crazy. Like, oh my god, I feel like I almost talk about this in every freaking video, but okay, let me stop. But I do want to tell you guys, I don't know if you guys ever seen this tattoo, but it does say imperfection is beauty. I've had this tattoo for almost a year now, so yeah, I have 2 tattoos. I'm planning on getting more, but I'm really gonna have to do some convincing because I do want it on my forearm. And so yeah, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes.